my beloved friends, in today's video, I will share with you how to put eyelash extensions at home in just easy steps using DIY eyelash extension kit from Gollee. This will be a tutorial plus a product review as well, so let's open this eyelash extension kit. This eyelash extension kit contains eyelashes, of course. As you can see, I already used the other eyelashes and I'm wearing it right now. Glue, tweezer, and adhesive nozzle wipe. As you can see, it's already complete. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and the packaging is really classy, elegant, and minimalist. The best thing about this Gollee brand is that they are animal cruelty-free because most of the eyelash extensions are made from mink and it's animal abuse. But this Gollee brand, they are selling vegan products and their glue is medical grade, so this is also good for those who have sensitive eyes. And as you can see, these eyelashes are made of high quality fiber, weightless, and comfortable to wear. And they also have 17 different types of eyelash extensions to choose from. You can also check their website, the Gollee website, because they offers different kinds of eyelashes, different glues, and other Gollee products. And you can also read their blog about lashes and read their stories and watch their videos as well. I will put the link on my description box so you can check on it. And now, I will teach you how to put eyelash extensions at home, so let's start! And it's time to put some eyelash extensions, but first, you need to clean your natural eyelashes and eyelids, plus it should be no makeup and oil-free. As you can see, I have my bare face right now, but I just apply a little amount of lip tint.
Apply the eyelash extensions from the root of your real eyelashes. Be gentle and practice makes perfect.
Actually, this is my second day in wearing this eyelash extension, and as you can see, it's still attached to my natural eyelashes. Nothing's fell out, and I already took a shower and washed my face as usual. And for me, this is much affordable rather than going to the salon or done by the specialists or technicians, because you still have more eyelashes left. And retouching outside is really costly, but because this is eyelash extension kit, you have your glue with you, you can do your own retouch. For short, it will save you a lot of money. If you want to try this DIY eyelash extension kit from Gollee, you can use my special code Elijah15, and those viewers who will use my code will get a 15% discount. So what are you waiting for, my beloved friends? Try it now!